Okay, in question 8.2.2, we are asked to find the derivative of this. And what we have to do is we need to simplify this first, and then we have to get it into a form where we can use our exponent rule for the derivative. So again, I stress that the exponent rule is given as d dx, so the derivative of x to the n is equal to n times x to the n minus 1. So we need to get this into a form that we can use this rule. And right now it is a fraction, so what you should definitely not do is treat the upper and the lower terms and try and differentiate them separately. What do I mean by that? I just mean that dx of x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1 is definitely not equal to 3x squared over 1. Okay, so that is something that's very important to note. With this, you can't just apply the exponent rule to the top and the bottom of the fraction. We need to simplify it out. Okay, so how are we going to simplify that? Well, let's just look at it as a normal fraction, and we have x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1. And of course, this being the cubic in the top here, that seems to be the thing that we need to simplify because the denominator is in its simplest form. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, we need to find a root of x cubed minus 1. And you see, if we plug in a 1 into x, we'll get 1 cubed minus 1, which gives us 0. So evidently, a factor of x cubed minus 1 is x minus 1. And now we just need to find the remaining term here. And we do that by inspection. So x times what is going to give us x cubed? Well, it has to be x squared. Okay. Similarly, we don't have a x squared term. So when this is multiplied in, we get a minus x squared. So we have to have a positive x in order to negate that negative x squared term there. Okay, and minus 1 times what is going to give us minus 1? Well, plus 1. Okay, so now we've simplified that. And these cancel nicely. And so we get that x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, which means that dx, or the derivative of x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1, is going to equal to dx of x squared plus x plus 1, which is equal to, and this is now in a very nice simple form to use our exponent rule, so that is 2x plus 1. And there we are.